Hello champs, how are you all? So here we are back with the next session which is having this long vowel sound O. Okay, so let's begin. So long O as in rose. It's a beautiful flower, right? Rose. Long O as in rose. Okay, now let's look towards some other words which are having long vowel sound O. So the words are book, B-O-O-K, B-O-O-K, book. The next word is foot, F-O-O-T, foot. The next word is moon, M-O-O-N, moon. The next word is soap, S-O-A-P, soap. The next word is coat, C-O-A-T, coat. And the last word is nose, nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Great! So you all are absolutely ready for the phonic drill now. Now let's begin with the phonic drill. For the first group of words we are having for the phonic drill, they are having S-E at the end with the long vowel sound of O before them. Okay? So, let's see what are the words we are having for this group. The words are dose, D-O-S-E, dose. The next word is pose, P-O-S-E. So, whenever someone takes a photograph of yours, you pose, right? P-O-S-E, pose. The next word is close, close, C-L-O-S-E, close. The next word is hose, H-O-S-E, hose. And the last word for this group is nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Great! So now let's move further towards the second group of words we are having for phonic drill. This group of words is either having N-E at the end or N at the end of the word. Okay? Let's look towards the words we are having for this group of phonic drill. Okay? Let's begin. And make sure you're repeating it after me. Okay? Let's start. Cone. C-O-N-E. Cone. Tone. T-O-N-E, tone. Zone, Z-O-N-E, zone. Next we are having is noon. You say afternoon, right? Noon, N-O-O-N, N-O-O-N, noon. And the last word for this group is moon, M-O-O-N, M-O-O-N, moon. Great! So this was all for the second group. Now let's move further towards the third group. This group of words is either having T-E at the end or A-T at the end of the words. Okay? Let's begin. The first word is vote, V-O-T-E, vote. The next word is wrote, R-O-T-E, wrote. The next word is goat, G-O-A-T, goat. The next word is boat, B-O-A-T, boat. The last word for this group is coat, C-O-A-T, C-O-A-T, coat. So this was all for the phonic drill. I'm sure you learned some new words, right? So now let's move further towards the reading part because reading is learning. Now you have to make sure that you are repeating the sentence after me. Okay? Let's begin. Trip to the moon. Trip to the moon. Boom as the rocket. Boom, as the rocket went to the moon. Went to the moon. It went zoom out of sight. It went zoom out of sight. The rocket looped. The rocket looped around the moon. Around the moon, taking pictures of the groove. Taking pictures of the groove. There was proof that others had visited the moon. Had visited the moon. Fantastic! So this was all for the reading session. Now make sure you give it a read on your own at least for once. Okay? We'll meet in our next session. Till then, bye-bye.